Silent chambers hold the key, ancient wisdom flows through me. Bells are ringing across the void, sacred frequencies deployed, drifting through the astral plane. Crown chakra breaks every chain, temple walls dissolve away into light, into the way.
Portals open, dimensions shift, consciousness begins to lift. Every breath a sacred tone, guiding spirits to the throne. Crystal chambers amplify, echoes reaching for the sky. Time suspended, space unfolds, mystic stories yet untold. Rising through the mist, divine presence can't resist. Energy building, power grows from the depths the goddess knows. Crown coordination takes its place, infinite light, infinite space. Through the cosmic gate, divine timing, perfect fate. Temple bells and starlight merge, from the depths new worlds emerge. Crown coordination complete, where the infinite immortal meet.